Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make chimichurri chicken kebabs. Let's get straight into it. So I'll be doing this recipe based on 500 grams of diced chicken breast, and you can use chicken thigh if you prefer. So we'll start by adding in 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of dry oregano, 1 teaspoon of dry chili flakes, half a teaspoon of ground coriander, half of a coarsely chopped brown onion, and I'm just gonna top this off with a 1/4 cup of chopped coriander and parsley mixed together. So in total, that's a half a cup of the herbs. So what we're going to do now is just give this a good mix together. And you'll be able to tell straight away, the fragrance is just amazing. Personally, I'll never understand how some people hate coriander, or cilantro as it's called. Now we're just going to cover this up, place it straight into the fridge for at least 1 hour. Alternatively, place it overnight for best results. But if you're in a rush, 1 hour is fine. Alright, so I got a bit sidetracked, so I left these for 2 hours, but the more the better, of course. So all I've done is I've put them into my long metal skewers like so. So we're going to move on to the grill now. So just like all my kebab videos, I'm going to cook this on my mangal, so basically it's an open gas fire. And we'll go ahead and place our skewers straight on. Now if you don't have this option available, don't panic. You can grill these, you can cook them in a frying pan, or you can oven bake them as well. There's nothing wrong with that. So after about 20 seconds, we're just going to flip our skewers. So what we're basically doing is sealing the meat, just to keep all that flavour inside. So basically all we want to do now is every 30 seconds just flip the skewers until they're cooked all the way through. Now this shouldn't take longer than about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, so as you can see we've got a beautiful char on it. To test if it's cooked, just grab one of the bigger pieces and you just want to squeeze it. Should be nice and firm. So we'll set these to the side and let's serve. So in my case I'm just serving it up with some chips, with some barbecue sauce which is also homemade. So grab each skewer and just push it off. Just how beautiful does that look? But let's showcase the real thing, which is that. I hope you like that, guys. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.